Hi students, now we discuss about the coronary circulation. Coronary circulation. Last class we completed portal circulation. Now we discuss about coronary circulation. What is coronary circulation? The flow of oxygenated blood from ascending aorta to the heart muscles and return deoxygenated blood from heart muscles to right atrium is called coronary circulation or cardiac circulation. Cardiac circulation. So the flow of oxygenated blood to heart muscles through ascending aorta and returns deoxygenated blood from heart muscles to right atrium is called coronary circulation or cardiac circulation. So the coronary circulation or cardiac circulation occurs between heart muscles and heart muscles and heart. The coronary circulation consists of two coronary arteries and four coronary veins. So here a systemic arch is arised from left ventricle. So this is left systemic arch. A pair of or two coronary arteries are arised from ascending systemic arch. This is right coronary artery. This is left coronary artery. These coronary arteries are extends into muscles of the heart. Extends into muscles of the heart. Generally, systemic arch carries oxygenated blood. So, the two coronary arteries carries oxygenated blood to heart muscles. The heart muscles receives oxygen from the blood of coronary arteries and release CO2 into the heart muscles. So now the oxygenated blood converts into deoxygenated blood. This deoxygenated blood or the deoxygenated blood of heart muscles return to right atrium. Return to right atrium. Here, wall of the heart possess a small sac-like structure called coronary sinus. Wall of the heart possess a sac-like structure called coronary sinus. Here, the coronary sinus collect the deoxygenated blood from the heart muscles with the help of or through 4 coronary veins. So, wall of the heart possess 4 coronary veins. These coronary veins, the 4 coronary veins opens into coronary sinus. Here, the 4 coronary veins collect the deoxygenated blood from wall of the heart and release into coronary sinus. The coronary sinus opens into right atrium. So, coronary sinus releases its deoxygenated blood into right atrium. So, this circulation is called coronary circulation or cardiac circulation. So, the 2 coronary arteries arise from systemic arch. These 2 coronary arteries carries oxygenated blood to heart muscles. The heart muscles receive oxygen and release CO2 into the blood. Now the oxygenated blood transforms into deoxygenated blood. This deoxygenated blood collected by coronary sinus through 4 coronary veins. Later, the coronary sinus release its deoxygenated blood into right atrium. Here, coronary sinus opens into right atrium through a opening. So, this circulation is called coronary circulation or cardiac circulation. So, the coronary circulation or cardiac circulation occurs between heart muscles and heart. So this is coronary circulation or cardiac circulation.